Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new installment of your Pharmacy Assistant. On this occasion, we would talk about what it is used for and how it is used. So, let's take a look.
Hi everyone, today I'm going to talk to you about Cetirizine, a common antihistamine that many of you might know by its brand name Zyrtec. Cetirizine is mainly used to treat allergic reaction, whether it's seasonal allergies like hay fever or year-round allergies caused by things like dust or pet dander. Cetirizine can help manage those annoying symptoms. Now, how does Cetirizine work? Well, it blocks the action of histamine, a substance in our body that triggers allergy symptoms. By doing so, it helps reduce symptoms like sneezing, itching, watery eyes, and a runny nose. When it comes to dosage, it's really important to follow the instruction. Adults usually take one 10 milligrams tablet once a day, but it's always best to check with your doctor for your specific needs. Of course, like all medications, Cetirizine has its side effects. These can range from mild drowsiness to more serious reactions, which are uncommon. Always be cautious and check with a doctor if something doesn't feel right. So, to sum it up, Cetirizine is a safe and effective way to manage allergy symptoms when used correctly. Always double-check your dosage, be mindful of side effects, and talk to your doctor if you have any questions. Take care.
If you've made it this far, let us know in the comments why you're using this medicine.